in this video, we're going to take a look on how can we update a product. So we're going to do a put request that's going to be used to update a product. And that's going to be quite similar to this. So quite similar, at least the part where we specify which product we want to update. So I'll actually copy this whole implementation, and this, I will just change it to a put mapping in this case, and it will be update product. And now what I'm gonna do, instead of I'm gonna receive the product ID, that's all fine. Actually, let's receive the ID through the body, through the request body. So I'm just gonna remove the product ID from here, and in here in the parameters here, I'm gonna specify a request body, and that's gonna be a product and a product. So we're gonna expect the product here that we wanna update. So, and probably we wanna retrieve the updated product. So I'm just gonna say like that. Okay, so what shall we do right now? Right now, we should first find the product. So I'm gonna copy this code to find the product by ID, but instead of getting the, so as you can see, this is gonna be a little conflicting here. So I'm just gonna say product request, and actually let's just name it request, and there we go. Okay, so instead of getting the ID from the actual, let's say from the pad variable, I'm gonna get it from the request body. So I'm gonna say request.getID, and that's how we're gonna get the product from the list. After we've gotten the product from the list, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say product retrieved, in this case, let's say equals product.get. We're gonna get it from the optional. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna change the values. So I'm gonna say product retrieved.set name is gonna be equal to the name from the request, so the updated name, get name, and also for the description, I'm just gonna say set description. Okay, and then I'm just gonna return this product back. Now, because we are modifying the object that's in the array, we don't need to assign a new value or anything. We are directly modifying the object, so that's gonna get saved to the product list. So what are we doing here? We have a put mapping. We're receiving a new product. We're getting the product from the list. We're updating the product, and we're returning the product back. Now we're gonna go ahead and restart the application, and I'm gonna go in Postman, and we're gonna test out the update route. So let's wait for it to restart. I'm gonna go to Postman right now. I'm first of all gonna have to add a couple of products. So I'm gonna click add, then I'm gonna add another one. Let's just add another one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fetch all the products. And there we go, we got 2 products. Now let's say we wanna edit the product with ID 3. So I'm gonna go to create another request here. This time that's gonna be a put HTTP method. And I'm gonna specify in the body. So basically I'm gonna come in the body, it's gonna be a JSON body, and it's actually gonna be the same request body, but let's say I wanna change, update it here. I wanna update the name and the description. So now let's go ahead and fetch all the products again. We fetched all the products, we have product 2, product 3. Now I'm gonna go ahead and run our update request. So it's a put request on our API, and we're updating the product with ID 3, and we're updating the name and the description with adding the text updated. I'm gonna click send. We get back 200 OK. We're getting back the name and the description. And let's go ahead and list all the products again and see if and as you can see, the product is actually updated right there. So as you can see, we successfully updated the product with ID 3. So that's how would we implement an update mapping for our API. That's gonna be it for this video.